Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Deep Time, where we break down programming concepts into bite-sized tutorials. Today we are exploring the observer pattern, a behavioral design pattern widely used in real-world systems. We'll explain it, implement it in C# and see it in action, using a weather station notification system. Let's jump right in. So, what's the observer pattern? It's like a subscription model. You have a subject, the central object that holds state, and multiple observers, which are notified whenever the subject changes. Imagine a weather station broadcasting updates to a mobile app, a website, and an SMS alert system. These receivers or observers don't need to ask the weather station for updates. It pushes updates to them automatically. Let's have a look to the code. First, let's define the subject interface. It manages adding, removing, and notifying observers. Here is the weather station class. The central subject, it keeps track of a list of observers and notifies them whenever the temperature changes. Next, we define the observer interface. Each observer implements the update method to react to state changes. Here is mobile app observer. When the weather station notifies it, the app displays the temperature. Simple and clean. Now, let's hook everything up in the main method. In the main method, we'll create a weather station, register two mobile apps as observers, and update the temperature. Here is the output. Both mobile apps receive updates as soon as the temperature changes. That's the observer pattern in action. No manual polling, just automatic notifications. Before we wrap up, here are some key benefits. Decouples the subject from its observers, scale easily with more observers, widely used in event-driven systems like GUIs and real-time apps. The observer pattern is versatile and powerful. And that's our wrap. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. Comment below if you would like to see more design pattern examples. Thanks for watching and happy coding.